beautiful right here. The County Administration Building lit up in blue tonight in honor of National Foster Care Month. It's a time to raise awareness about the need for support for foster youth across the country.
And here in San Diego County, it's time for the county to honor foster and adoptive resource families for their tireless work in fostering youth.
In tonight's Fostering Hope Report, we meet some of this year's Resource Parents of the Year as they share an important message with you.
Resource is anybody that can be wrapped around that youth at any time of their lives.
In honor of National Foster Care Month, San Diego County is recognizing these foster and adoptive resource parents for going above and beyond over the past year.
Like I said, I praise all of our resource parents just in general, but exceptionally more this year because of COVID. It really added another whole layer of that whole parenting component.
We have 9 children.
Jill and her fiance have 6 daughters and 3 sons between the two of them, in addition to the foster children they opened their home to, providing a safe place to stay.
So as a family, we really make this kind of I think it's a ministry. It has to be a calling because it is hard, especially when you are helping preserve families and communicating with biological parents.
Jill says she tries to comfort the foster youth's biological family as much as she can.
That first phone call with mom after a child has been placed with me is, I really use that as an opportunity to ask mom, what does she want me to do for her child? How can I keep some sense of normalcy? You know, how do you want me to feed your child? How do you want me to vaccinate your child? How do you want me to do, you know, bedtime and bath time? I want the parents, if they are involved, to know that I respect, you know, their perspective on things.
Being in foster care is traumatic for both children and their biological parents, and resource parents help provide a critical need.
What inspired you to become a resource parent?
When I start crying, though.
With 3 biological children of her own, Miss B, as she's affectionately called by her foster children, went through the process of becoming a resource parent to help a specific family. But by the time she was approved, those children had already been placed in another stable home. Her journey, however, didn't end there.
When the social worker called me, she said, well, that doesn't mean you can't foster other kids. They don't have to be relatives.
2.5 years later, she's made a huge impact in so many lives.
I've fostered 10 kids so far.
She says sometimes all these children need is a hug.
It's crazy how a hug can help them so much. Just a simple hug.
Each resource parent has a different motivation for helping change the life of a foster child.
We had, tried to have children of our own and had not been successful. And we kind of were really thinking, like, what do we want to do? And we really just wanted to parent.
Andrea and Dave, who have been married for 10 years, are currently fostering 3 siblings.
It's been beautiful, it's been emotional, it's been challenging. I think we've been really fortunate in the relationships we've been able to develop with the children, with their biological family. Every relationship has ups and downs. I think we feel really blessed and really honored to be able to be a part of these children's lives.
None of the honorees expected the recognition of being named Resource Parents of the Year.
You just kind of do your day to day, and that's just what life is. And it's beautiful and it's crazy. And then to get recognition, it also kind of made me think, gosh, there's probably so many more people that are also like extremely deserving of this recognition. So I just feel really humbly grateful. I think it's really affirming too, and when things are hard, it's like, gosh, that's nice, somebody noticed something.
San Diego County says, especially after this challenging year, the honor is so well deserved.
These are some incredible resource families, but it had to have been hard to choose. And I know they're representative of so many more that are doing good work in our country.
Oh, I absolutely agree. I mean, May is our National Foster Care Month, and this is our embodiment of what that looks like. And I'm honored to be able to say I truly appreciate you, and for taking care of the kids that are in your care. You're the best.
Congratulations! Congratulations!
Yes, congratulations. This year's Foster Parents of the Year are being honored as unsung heroes at different virtual ceremonies all month long, and there's always a need for more families. So if you would like to learn about becoming a foster or adoptive resource parent, visit our website at cbs8.com/fosteringhope.